Guys, it's me, Faye the Fairy, and today we are playing Don't Press the Button 4 with a choreo, a souffle, ankle biter, and cat. It's just oh my god. It's just a choreo, and cat will be the ones raging the most. Cause like earlier.
I'm gonna be the one breaking y'all's ears because I have free will.
Yeah. I don't have free will right now. I'm at my grandparents' house. Did you just call me? Girl really went from rage. Girl really went from rage to
Stop here.
Wait.
Thank you whoever built this.
Oh, by the way, where's Souffle?
No, letting us die. Why are you jumping Monday on the ground?
Cause why not? Oh. Oh, this is so dangerous. Warning. There's gonna be slight swearing because of Kat. She has free will to rage. Not her golden. Girl sounds like a screaming eagle.
My presents. Give me my present. Give me my present.
I'm completely shocked right now. Yeah.
I'm flabbergasted.
Flabbergasted, Kaylin.
Looks like the dolphin. Oh. Give me.
Nice ankle biter. Cat. Oh my gosh, Cat. Legends never die. With the world in the
It's a 50-50. What the freak?
Who will win?
Who will win?
Oh.
Let me record. It won't let me record.
I got pie. Oh, let's rob a bank. Yeah.
Hell no, let's not rob a bank.
Let's rob a bank.
Let's not rob a bank. Let's rob a bank. Oh. Let's rob a bank. Hi guys, I'm gonna go back to the Who made these banks? We're gonna get
Kat is gonna be the one who's raging the most.
Not really. I'm just gonna make everyone fun.
Girls, you're breaking my ears right now.
I'm sorry. Okay, I'll try to stream then.
I'm going to prevent headphones.
Yeah, perfect. You literally have to say that. What the freak? Anyways, let me record. Yay!
My audio. Oh my god.
Find a way from getting the money back. Okay. Hello guys, it's me, Choco Cookie Cat, and today we are playing Press the Button 4. What is going on? I just started recording. I'm claustrophobic.
I'm claustrophobic.
You talk. To the tower. I'm so. Don't to the wall. I think what headphone users please lower down your volume because there's gonna be I recommend you
There's a lot of screaming.
and mild. Let me go ahead.
This is why I don't like to join calls sometimes.
Sorry.
This is why I don't like to play this game. It's fun without you guys.
In the corner, y'all see me in the corner spinning around. Yes,
Yeah.
R.I.P. Mr. Skeleton.
Mr. Skeleton. R.I.P. Flump, flump, flump. Be showered with money.
Only one door is correct. So what I can do? It's red, green, yellow. Red, green. What? What the? Yellow?
Red, green,
Yellow. Red,
yellow,
yellow.
yellow.
I understand the puzzle. Yay! Pay.
Yeah.
Money.
Money, green, money, Johnny.
50. What's 50? 38.
24?
I already see it. I already see mine. Oh. 50. Hello, sir. Here's our pizza. Oh, please enjoy your pizza. Okay, that. Money. Going to all the money. Let's go to the middle. Maybe it's good luck. Are you sure? Oh, the ones that have like. No, I have a drink. There's sometimes like shadows up here.
My money, no!
Oh gosh. Corio, be careful. No. Why not? No. Why not? Huh? Be careful.
Oh my gosh.
Child. Give me the money. That's like my ask for. Maybe a kindergarten.
Find a lime green cone.
Lime green cone is here. Aha! Yay! I got to get the good boy. Hey, don't worry, you're not the only one. I'm gonna be flexing. I'm gonna be drinking all the time. Trust. Flexing. Find the orange triangle.
Hello.
Hello.
We showered with money, little children.
Yes.
They don't get any money.
Ha ha, too bad, so sad.
There's so much money.
Yo, Bingo gone too far.
Not me already dying.
Wait.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wait, where's Souffle?
I think he left the call.
Oh.
I think so. Yeah. I'm gonna be the one pressing the button. And this is the way.
Yes!
For the money, so like a fall, it's so like a rain.
It's raining ching ching.
I'm
From the sky.
I'm gonna try to lessen that.
Nanny to us, boy.
Please come on.
Open your
You
mouth.
want a drink? You want a drink? No? Okay. Fireworks. I was that. Let's talk. Where are the fireworks? Yeah, where do you find the fireworks? Oh, I see one. I see one. Never mind.
I think you have to climb on the roof.
It'll be 5 steps ahead. I didn't get to see any. Where are them? Where are they? No, give me that. No. This is an awful lot of screaming. Sorry. This is what happens in most of our videos. I think my ears are going to break. I warned my dear Kukilings that they're all going to suffer in screaming.
Yeah, scream. Yeah, the screams are elite, by the way. They sound like nukes.
What? I see one. Aww, that's sad. What? Yeah. I can't have it. What is it? Are you lucky or?
No! My body! I have core blocks and headless.
Oh, 3 core blocks and headless? That's cool.
Bro, my body! Look!
You can see it. I don't see it.
Help! Help! Why is my body up there? Oh my god. Okay, okay, guys. To make sure that your ears don't break, I'm gonna end this video early. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one. Money Rain!